Welcome to Geometric Galaxy. Hello students, in this video we are going to see chapter 2 polynomials exercise 2.3 question number 5 first subdivision. Before solving the question we shall recall factor theorem. X minus a is a factor of p of x if p of a is equal to 0 and p of a is equal to 0 if x minus a is a factor of p of x. Here is our question number 5 subdivision 1. Factorize x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Let us take the given cubic polynomial as p of x. Then we will see the constant term, it is 2. So for the constant term the factors are plus or minus 1 and plus or minus 2. So by trial and error method let us find one factor of the polynomial using factor theorem. So first we will take 1. I am going to find the value of p of 1. So p of 1 is equal to 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square minus 1 plus 2. If we simplify then we get p of 1 is equal to 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 2. Therefore p of 1 is equal to 0. Since p of 1 is equal to 0, x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. Now we can split only the terms between x cube and the constant term, that is minus 2x square and minus x can be splitted into two terms each, and I will try to take x minus 1 as a common factor. Now write x cube as such. Now minus 2x square I will split it as minus x square and minus x square. Then minus x I will write it as plus x minus 2x. If I add plus x minus 2x then it will become minus x plus 2. We are splitting the terms to get x minus 1 as the common factor. You see the first two terms x cube and x square. Here we can take x square as common. Therefore it will become x square into x minus 1. Next the third term and the fourth term we can take minus x as common, so that we will get x minus 1. We can write it as minus x into x minus 1. In the fifth and sixth term we can take minus 2 as common, so I can write it as minus 2 into x minus 1. Now all this 6 terms becomes 3 terms. In the 3 terms we can see x minus 1 as common. So if I take out x minus 1 then x square minus x minus 2 is left out. Therefore p of x can be written as the product of x minus 1 into x square minus x minus 2. Now the cubic polynomial becomes the product of a linear polynomial and a quadratic polynomial. The same can be done by dividing the cubic polynomial by the known factor x minus 1. Now let us divide x square minus 2x square minus x plus 2 by x minus 1. The first term of this polynomial is x cube and the dividing factor is x minus 1. So divide x cube by x, we get x square. So x squared is the first term of my quotient. Now we need to multiply the factor x minus 1 by x square. We get x cube minus x square. Now we need to subtract this from the dividend. For subtracting I need to change the sign. It will become minus x cube plus x square. If we subtract, the first term will get cancelled and in the second term we will get minus x square. Bring down the next term minus x. So it will become minus x square minus x. Here the first term is minus x square. To get to minus x square, we need to multiply the factor x minus 1 by minus x. So we get minus x square plus x. Now we need to subtract this from the above. So we need to change the sign. After changing the sign, it becomes plus x square and minus x. If we subtract, the first term will get cancelled and the second term will be minus 2x. Now bring down the last constant term plus 2 down. So it becomes minus 2x plus 2. Now we should try to get minus 2x by multiplying the dividing factor x minus 1 by minus 2. So if we multiply minus 2 with x minus 1, we get minus 2x plus 2. If we need to subtract, then we have to change the sign. If I change the sign, it becomes plus 2x minus 2. Here if we subtract, both the terms will get cancelled and the remainder is 0. So according to division algorithm, x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2 is equal to x minus 1 into x square minus x minus 2. Here I have explained this problem in two methods. Whichever method you feel easy, you can follow that method to solve the problem. To get the other two factors, we need to factorize this quadratic polynomial x square minus x minus 2. We can factorize this quadratic polynomial using splitting the middle term method. Here the coefficient of the middle term is minus 1, so the sum of the two numbers should be minus 1, and the product of the coefficient of x square and the constant term is 1 into minus 2, which is equal to minus 2. Therefore the product should be minus 2. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2 and 1 plus minus 2 is minus 1. Therefore the factors are 1 and minus 2. In x square minus x minus 2, we can split the middle term as minus 2x plus 1x. In the first two terms, x square minus 2x, we can see x is common. So take out x is common and write x minus 2. In 1x minus 2, we don't have any common number other than 1. So take 1 as common and write x minus 2. So the four terms becomes two terms. In these two terms, we can see x minus 2 as common. So take out x minus 2 and x plus 1 is left out. So the two factors are x minus 2 and x plus 1. Therefore, the cubic polynomial x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2 is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1 into x minus 2. We already know that x minus 1 is a factor. Here we have another two factors. So totally we got three factors for the cubic polynomial. With this we can come to the end of this video. In the next video we will see about exercise 2.3 question number 5 second subdivision. Thank you students. If you find Geometrix Galaxy helpful, consider subscribing to my channel. And please don't hesitate to recommend this channel to your friends. Thanks for watching.